Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Creating a beautiful backyard landscape is a delightful endeavor that transforms an outdoor space into a haven of tranquility and visual appeal. A well-designed backyard not only enhances the aesthetics of your home but also provides a sanctuary for relaxation and recreation. Begin by envisioning the overall theme and style you want to achieve. Whether it's a lush, tropical paradise, a minimalist zen garden, or a vibrant floral haven, your backyard should reflect your personal taste and complement the architectural features of your home. Consider incorporating a variety of plants to add color, texture, and depth to the landscape. Choose a mix of flowering plants, shrubs, and trees that thrive in your local climate. This not only adds visual interest but also attracts local wildlife, such as butterflies and birds, enhancing the overall outdoor experience. Integrate hardscape elements strategically to define and connect different areas within your backyard. Patios, decks, pathways, and pergolas provide structure and can be adorned with comfortable outdoor furniture, creating inviting spaces for lounging or entertaining guests. Lighting plays a crucial role in extending the usability of your backyard into the evening. Install ambient lighting, such as string lights or lanterns, to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider adding path lights to guide guests through the garden and highlight key features. Water features, such as fountains or ponds, can bring a sense of tranquility and serenity to your backyard. The gentle sound of flowing water can create a soothing ambience and mask unwanted noise from the surroundings. Don't forget about functional elements like an outdoor kitchen, fire pit, or barbecue area. These additions can transform your backyard into an extension of your living space, perfect for entertaining family and friends. Lastly, maintain your backyard oasis by regularly pruning plants, mowing the lawn, and addressing any issues promptly. A well-maintained landscape not only looks beautiful but also ensures the longevity of your outdoor haven. In conclusion, a beautiful backyard landscaping project is a fulfilling venture that adds value to your home and quality to your life. Whether you seek a space for relaxation, socializing, or simply enjoying the beauty of nature, a thoughtfully designed backyard provides a canvas for creating lasting memories.